Did you know that over 92% of internet users engage on X daily, but only a fraction of them are actually making money from it? Here's the kicker. You could be leaving thousands of dollars on the table every month. Why scroll endlessly when you could be cashing in on one of the easiest platforms to monetize? If you're ready to learn how to make money on X with 7 beginner-friendly strategies, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your time on X into cold hard cash. And trust me, strategy number 7 is so powerful, it could completely change your financial future. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. In the following episodes, we will be exploring making money on X in more detail. You don't want to miss it. Alright, let's jump in. Pay attention, because these strategies might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. First, become a creator and join X's ad revenue program. Did you know that X pays creators for the engagement their posts receive? That's right, tweets, reposts, and comments could actually put money in your pocket. The platform's ad revenue sharing program is one of the easiest ways to start earning. Here's how to get started. Focus on building a niche audience. Whether it's personal finance, tech reviews, or parenting hacks, pick a theme and stick to it. Post consistently. High-quality, engaging tweets are key. Apply for the ad revenue sharing program once you've met the requirements. Pro tip: use trending topics to get more eyeballs on your tweets. For example, during a tech launch, tweet comparisons or opinions. It's an instant engagement booster. Second, affiliate marketing. Want to earn commissions by promoting products? Affiliate marketing on X is a fast and beginner-friendly way to do just that. You don't need millions of followers, just a targeted audience who trusts your recommendations. Here's what to do. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Impact. Share product links that fit your niche. For example, if you're into fitness, post about your favorite workout gear. Write short, catchy tweets highlighting the product's benefits. Include your affiliate link for clicks. Pro tip: combine this with visuals. A picture or short video of the product in action will make your post more compelling. Third, sell digital products. Have you ever thought about creating a product once and selling it forever? Digital products are the perfect way to make passive income, and X is a great platform to market them. Here are some ideas. Ebooks on topics you're an expert in, online courses or workshops, templates or guides like a social media calendar or budgeting planner. Promote your products by sharing valuable snippets on X. For instance, if you wrote an ebook about time management, post daily tips that relate to the book. Use your bio and pinned tweets to link directly to your product. Bonus tip: add a sense of urgency by offering a limited time discount. People love a good deal. Fourth, offer paid coaching or consulting. Are you skilled in a specific field? Coaching or consulting is a lucrative option, and X is the perfect place to find clients. Whether it's career advice, fitness plans, or social media strategies, people are willing to pay for expertise. Here's how to get started. Use your tweets to showcase your knowledge. Post actionable tips or solve common problems within your niche. Add a DM for inquiries line in your bio, or create a dedicated tweet announcing your services. Start with one-on-one coaching to build trust and testimonials. Later, expand into group sessions or workshops. Pro tip: testimonials are gold. Ask your first few clients for reviews and share them on X to attract more business. Fifth, sell merchandise. If you have a strong personal brand or a unique sense of humor, merchandise can be a fun and profitable venture. Think t-shirts, mugs, or stickers featuring your most popular tweets, taglines, or designs. Here's the process. Use print-on-demand services like Teespring or Printify to minimize upfront costs. Share mock-ups of your products in your tweets. Humor sells, so if you've got funny or relatable one-liners, use them. Pin your merchandise tweet to your profile for maximum visibility. Pro tip: run polls to ask your followers which designs they love. This boosts engagement and helps you pick the most marketable options. Sixth, monetize Spaces. Spaces, X's live audio feature, is not just for sharing opinions, it's a platform for earning. You can host paid events, workshops, or discussions. Here's how to monetize Spaces effectively. Pick topics your audience cares about. For example, if your niche is investing, host a session on top investments. Charge an entry fee or offer premium access to recorded sessions. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach. Pro tip: offer a free introductory session to hook your audience. Once they see the value, they'll be more likely to pay for the next one. Seventh, run crowdfunding campaigns. If you have a loyal following, crowdfunding can be a powerful way to fund creative projects. Whether it's a book, an app, or a passion project, your audience can help bring it to life. Here's how to make it work. Share your vision. Be clear about what you're creating and why it matters. Use platforms like GoFundMe or Kickstarter and link them to your X profile. Update your followers on the progress of your project. They'll appreciate the transparency. Bonus tip: offer incentives like exclusive access to the project or a shout-out for those who contribute. Keep watching. Here's the game changer strategy. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. The real game changer is combining these strategies. For example, you could use Spaces to promote your digital products or sell merchandise while growing your audience through affiliate marketing. It's not about sticking to one method, it's about creating multiple income streams that work together. Diversify your approach, and you'll be earning more than you ever thought possible. Now that you know how to make money on X with these beginner-friendly strategies, check out our suggested video for more ways to increase your wealth. The clock is ticking. Start now, and watch your wallet grow. Which of these strategies are you most excited to try? Comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly tips to boost your income and achieve your goals.